Hey friends, I'm coming to you from my bedroom today because when you're homeschooling and your husband works from home, because it's 2020, then sometimes the bedroom is the only place that you can find to work that's quiet. So this is like the best place in my house that I could find to do this little video, but I wanted to show you guys something really, really exciting that's coming out for Christmas. And if you are not yet a Young Living member, or if you are a member but you haven't ordered in a really long time, or if you are an existing member either on my team or not, this is available to you, and I'm super, super excited about it. It is a brand new starter kit that is only $150, and it is really, really sweet because it reminds me of the starter kit that I got, but it's like totally upgraded and updated and really, really awesome. So this is the same as any other starter kit. It comes with a 24% discount to Young Living. It gets free shipping, and so it will ship to you for free, and it's $150, so it is a really great price point to either ask for it for Christmas or buy it for somebody as a Christmas present this year, so that you can give them the gift of essential oils and the awesome wellness and tools and practical uses that having really good, pure, therapeutic grade essential oils in your home can bring. If you are an oiler, you know they are life-changing. And so this Christmas, you can not only give a really fun, cute gift or ask for it for yourself, but you can play a part in actually changing someone's life and changing the direction and the course of their health. And that is what we are about. We are not about like just cute diffuser recipes and cute DIYs, even though we all love doing that with our oils. We are about real lasting health and wellness and changing the direction of your life for the better. And that happens when you start eliminating toxins, you start flooding your body with good nutrition, and you start giving your body extra support from plants and from nature, because that's how God designed our bodies to work best. So I fully believe in this, and I'm really excited to show you. That was a little soapbox bonus for you, but I'm really excited to show you this really, really cute starter kit. So all the starter kits in Young Living, with the exception of just a couple, the basic kit, but they all come with a diffuser, and this little kit comes with the Sweet Aroma diffuser. Look how cute it is. It's kind of a grayish blue color, and it has this basket weave. A tip is that you can actually paint this. And so if you are like maybe giving this to a child or a teenager or something, or you're just really crafty and you want to change the color, you can just get acrylic paint and paint this. You could paint it a different pattern. You could make it black and white. You could make it gold. You could make it silver, whatever. But this is a paintable material that paint adheres really well too. So the diffuser just kind of opens like this. You can see the reservoir. This is what you'll fill with water. Add your drops of oil inside, and then place the cap back on. The buttons are on the back here. There are some light settings and an on-off button. So this is a really great little diffuser. I don't know if you can accurately see the size, but I would say it's about 6 or 7 inches tall and probably 4 to 5 inches wide here. So it's a good little compact diffuser. Okay, I have to show you the absolute cutest thing that comes with this kit that I'm really obsessed with, and I kind of want to keep it for myself, but I won't, because if somebody wants this one, I'll give them this to you. But this kit comes with this amazing leopard print carrying case. What? I know, it's so, so cute. So I love the detail of this. It's kind of like a faux leather, really easy wipe clean material. Super cute leopard print. Has this little handle on the top, has these gorgeous gold zippers. It's like black and gold leopard print at the bottom. And then on the inside, you guys, there are like little elastic pouches to stick the oils in, which I'll talk about in a minute. And then there's like an elastic pouch up here, or actually a zipper pouch up here. So if you wanted to store anything else up in here, and then it zips closed. So this is the perfect. You can carry your diffuser. I guess you could put the plug and stuff up here. You can carry your diffuser, carry all the oils that come in your little starter kit in this adorable leopard print carrying case. So cute. So this fits really, really nicely inside and can be surrounded by the oils, and you can put the little plug for the diffuser up in the case. So fun. Okay, let's talk about the oils that come in this awesome starter kit. It's called the Holiday Starter Bundle, I believe. And it is $150, and it comes with 9 oils that are absolutely amazing. They all smell beautiful for this little diffuser, and they have some really, really great uses. So I'll just start one by one and tell you a few quick things to use with it. So of course it comes with the Swiss Army knife, lavender. Lavender is amazing for cuts and scrapes and over like sun exposed skin, or if you burn yourself on the stove really quick, put drops of lavender on it. It's awesome for like bug bites and itchy spots, and it's really great for the sniffles. So if you have the sniffles, just swipe some lavender over the bridge of your nose and right underneath it. It'll help so much with that. Lavender is super, super calming, so you can diffuse this one at bedtime. It makes your laundry smell great if you add some lavender to some wool dryer balls or something like that. So lavender is just a really great, super versatile, universal oil to use for all of the things. Absolutely love it. Okay, next is Thieves. Thieves is our, of course, immune support powerhouse oil. Everybody loves Thieves for what it can do for their immune system. And it is basically just like works against all of the bad stuff that you don't want coming into your body. That's what Thieves does. It has been university studied and proven to kill 99.9% of airborne pathogens when it is diffused for 30 minutes or more. That's amazing. We need Thieves in our life. So you get a bottle of Thieves oil to diffuse, or you can put this on the bottoms of your feet. We love to make little roller bottles out of this. We'll just put like 10 drops in a roller bottle and then fill it with like a liquid carrier oil and rub it on the bottoms of our feet and on our spine and over our bellies multiple times a day, especially when we're going out in public. And it helps us stay well and stay above that wellness line all year long. So lavender and Thieves, awesome. Okay, this is amazing. Peace and calming. This is every mom's favorite oil because it helps calm your kids down and you down if you need the help. Peace and calming is a really beautiful blend of like tangerine and orange and ylang ylang and patchouli and blue tansy. It is just so grounding and calming and helps. I love to diffuse this in my kids' bedrooms at night. I love to put some all over my forearms before I go to bed and just rub them together. The smell is just like so comforting and literally helps you just feel relaxed and turn your brain off and sleepy and all of those good things that we want. So peace and calming is amazing. Lemon. This is actually cold pressed from the rind of lemons. This is an awesome oil. It is a gentle detoxifier in your body. It tastes really delicious if you put a drop in water or warm tea. It's very soothing to the throat. Lemon actually helps your body like thin out and expel mucus. And so I love using lemon, especially during the winter time when we need some extra support for our lungs and our sinuses, to pair it with like a eucalyptus or a peppermint or RC or any kind of respiratory oil. And it helps with just like getting the crud out. It's also very degreasing, so it's great to add to your Thieves cleaner. It's great to like if you need to get like sticky residue off of something, it's really good for that. It just has so many uses, and it's really supportive of the gallbladder, the kidneys, the liver, all of your detoxification organs. Lemon is amazing for supporting those organs and doing what they need to do. Okay, I love that this little kit comes with frankincense. Trying to show you. It comes with frankincense. This is like the baby Jesus oil. It's like the holy grail of oils, honestly. It's so good for the skin. It is so good for your DNA. It's good for your cellular health, like helping your cells stay healthy. So essential oils are literally supporting your body from the cellular level. So sometimes if they don't have an immediate effect, or you're like, I think I've heard them say it's great, but I don't know why. The reason is because sometimes they're working on such a deep level in your body that there might not be like a noticeable after effect 5 minutes after you put it on, but it's helping your body do things that you can't even see. And it's helping you have true health and wellness from a cellular level, which is absolutely incredible. There's not very many things in this world that can do that. And frankincense is one of those oils that's incredible for cellular health. It's great for glowing skin, clear skin. It's very grounding emotionally, helps you kind of connect spiritually and drown out the noise. So if you're needing help with like grounding and meditation and just like being able to hone in and focus on what you need to, frankincense is great for that. Also great for anxious feelings and thoughts. I could go on and on. Frankincense is amazing. Okay, bergamot. This is a beautiful smelling oil. This is a citrus oil as well. I'm having a hard time showing the camera. I don't know why, but here you go, bergamot. Bergamot is great for anxiety, anxious feelings. It's extremely uplifting emotionally, and I love to just put a drop of bergamot over my heart anytime I'm starting to feel stressed or anxious or overwhelmed or any of those things, and it smells absolutely beautiful when it's diffused with pretty much everything. Okay, peppermint is the next one. Peppermint is a very familiar oil, but it's great for digestive support. It can help. You can just rub some over your belly to help with a stomach ache or just need some digestive help. It is awesome for the respiratory system. It opens up the lungs and helps you breathe deeper and better. It's also great for mental clarity and like stamina. And so if you're needing to like focus on a task or a project or something like that, and you need help like thinking clearly and honing in on that, peppermint is great for that. Peppermint has actually been studied studied and shown that when athletes use it before a workout, that it increases their VO2 max, so their oxygen intake, by up to 40%. So it actually helps you like perform better when you're working out. And it just enhances your body in that way. So that's really, really awesome. Love peppermint. Okay, grapefruit is another citrus oil. We get lots of really good citrus oils with this, but grapefruit is a beautiful smelling oil. Grapefruit is awesome for helping your body get rid of fat. It actually like eats up fat cells and or like help to like eat up the junk that is stored in your cells, like petrochemicals and stuff that store itself in fat cells. So grapefruit is amazing to take. You can take it internally. You can also diffuse it. You can put it on, you rub it on your belly or on your problem areas that you want to just help support smooth looking skin, toned looking skin, and help to kind of work through some of those stored up toxins in your fat cells, which is really gross to think about, but it's necessary. We don't want that stuff sitting around in our bodies. Okay, the last oil that comes in this kit is Joy, and this is a beautiful blend of floral oils with a few citrus oils added to it. It smells really, really good. Joy and grapefruit together smell amazing. But Joy is a really great oil if you are walking through grief or you are having a really hard time emotionally with anything, with any kind of hard emotional feelings. And you guys, this year, a lot of people are struggling with that. But Joy is amazing for helping your body deal with those emotions in a positive way to process them and not get like stored up and then cause illness in the future, which is a real problem. And so Joy is awesome for that. If you are waking up struggling with your emotions, if you are feeling depressed, if you are feeling anxious, if you are feeling overwhelmed, if you are feeling like you are grieving and mourning and just having a really hard time, try some Joy. I like to get a drop and put it directly over my heart and just kind of hold it there. And oftentimes I will pray and ask for the Lord to help me have freedom from the emotions that I feel like are weighing me down. And I will apply Joy as often as I need to. It's a really beautiful scent. It also helps like put my kids in a better mood. So, that's helpful too. But Joy is a really, really great oil and an awesome one to have in this kit. So all of those oils, those 9 oils that we just talked about, come in this amazing holiday starter kit. And you also get a little 1-ounce Thieves hand sanitizer. This stuff is amazing. It does not dry your hands out. It has aloe vera, and it is like active ingredient is the Thieves oil that we talked about. It also contains 65% of the ethyl alcohol that is required by the CDC to claim that it is a hand sanitizer, to be an effective hand sanitizer. So this would be considered an approved sanitizer by the CDC if you want to send this to your kids' school with them so that they're not rubbing toxic hand sanitizer on themselves all the time. This is a great Christmas gift. So Young Living sells bigger bottles of this. We have the 1 ounce, the 7.6 ounce, and then a huge 16-ounce bottle that you could use as a refill. But you get a little 1-ounce bottle to try in your starter kit. And so that's it. That's everything that comes with it. You can fit all of these oils in the little pockets on this adorable leopard carrying case for $150. So that's it. This is available for existing members if you want to restock on a starter kit. For brand new members, if you've never been a part of Young Living, this would be a great Christmas gift to try. Treat yourself to this for a Christmas gift and get all these beautiful oils and the diffuser and the case and the sanitizer as a fun gift for yourself. If you want to gift this to somebody else, it also makes a great introduction to the essential oils lifestyle. And it's only $150. So if you have questions, feel free to ask me. I'm super excited. I have one of these kits on hand. So if you're local to me and you want to do this, let me know and I will meet up with you and we can get it to you so that you can have it in time for Christmas if you're kind of in a crunch. So, all right. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I hope you're excited about this holiday starter bundle and that you grab one for a friend or for yourself. All right. Merry Christmas. Bye.